Here's 3 reasons why I think you need at least a few of these particular silver bars in your stack. Hey everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au, with your weekly product spotlight, where we highlight one of the amazing products we have available online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. You're looking at the Ainslie Bullion 1 ounce minted silver bar. Right here you have the Ainslie logo at the top, 1 troy ounce silver, 4 nines pure right there, and the Ainslie Bullion text at the bottom, and it's on the background of a frosted sort of background. I really like that. I think that's pretty cool. On the side here you have a reeded edge, and in particular I love the back. Check this out. Miniature Ainslie Bullion logos all around the back, plus a little mini Australia in the center. So that completes the design of the Ainslie Bullion 1 ounce minted silver bar. Here's where I think you need a few in your stack. Now, number one is simply because of its size. It's a 1 ounce size. So let's start with that. Diversification is a great idea. Now, you may be the type of person who only likes to buy silver in bulk because you think you'll only ever sell back to a bullion dealer such as Ainslie, and you want the best bang for your buck. You don't want to pay the slightly higher premiums that you will pay for 1 ounce because you don't think you'll need to sell privately. But consider this. We don't know where the world's going, and you don't know exactly where the world's going. So diversifying within size is not a bad idea. Many people do it because if you think you might need to sell privately, you might meet someone who only has enough cash for a few ounces and not, your 1 kilo bar or your 5 kilo bar or whatever. So diversifying within size is a great reason. So that's the first reason why you should buy at least 1 ounce sized silver. Now, why should you buy the Ainslie branded silver? Well, within the Ainslie Bullion range, first off, if you're buying in your self-managed super fund, it's actually the smallest size that is self-managed super fund compliant. Now, of course, check with your accountant, etc. Do your due diligence, but it is the lowest or the smallest sized silver that is self-managed super compliant. So that's number 2. And number 3, because it is the Ainslie Bullion brand, we get them made ourselves, so we can offer them to you for a more competitive rate than other branded silver out there. I think it's almost the cheapest 1 ounce silver on the website right here. So very, very economical as well. And again, for that self-managed super fund play as well. And for the reason it is 1 ounce size. And out of interest, if you were to buy them in a bunch of 20, they come in tubes of 20 right here. So a nice sealed tube right there, sealed with a lid on the top there, so it keeps them safe from the elements. So buying in lots of 20, you get the tubes as well. So those are the 3 reasons why I think having a few of these in your stack is a great idea. Do you have some of these in your stack? Post a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Now, these also happen to come in a 10 ounce size as well. And I'll put a link above to the video we did on those just above right now. So the 1 ounce size, you know them, hopefully you like them, and hopefully you want to get your hands on some if you haven't already. What I want you to do is click the link below. I'll put it in the info section of the YouTube page and as part of the pinned comment to the specific product page. Check it out. And of course, I want you to like, share, and subscribe for this video, and subscribe to the channel, youtube.com/AinslieBullion. And as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.